Exciting developments are emerging for mirrorless camera enthusiasts as fresh leaks and industry chatter strongly suggest that the Fujifilm X-T6 is finally on the way, positioning itself as one of the most anticipated APS-C mirrorless cameras in recent years. And according to multiple credible sources, Fujifilm appears ready to deliver a major generational leap that could redefine performance standards for crop sensor cameras, with the X-T6 rumored to feature an all-new 5th-generation X-Trans CMOS sensor paired with a next-level image processor that together promise substantial gains in dynamic range, low-light image quality, color depth, rolling shutter reduction, computational photography, and overall speed, making it a compelling upgrade over the X-T5 and a serious competitor to other high-end hybrid cameras on the market, as the new sensor is widely expected to retain Fujifilm's signature APS-C X-Trans color filter array while increasing resolution beyond previous models, with reports suggesting a possible 45-megapixel sensor or even higher, marking a notable jump from the 40.2 MP sensor found in the X-T5. And this higher resolution design is believed to be supported by dramatically faster readout speeds that could unlock advanced video features, improved burst shooting, and reduced distortion during fast motion capture, while also delivering cleaner high ISO performance thanks to refined pixel architecture and enhanced signal processing, allowing photographers to shoot confidently in challenging lighting scenarios such as indoor events, weddings, concerts, night street photography, and astrophotography, with the native ISO range expected to span roughly ISO 160 to 12,800 and extended sensitivity potentially reaching ISO 51,200 or beyond, producing smoother files with better noise control and richer detail compared to earlier generations, while the new processor, rumored to be a successor well beyond the X Processor 5, is expected to handle the massive data throughput of the upgraded sensor effortlessly, delivering faster startup times, reduced shutter lag, quicker buffer clearing, longer continuous shooting sequences, and more efficient heat management for extended video recording sessions, which is particularly important as the X-T6 is also rumored to receive a significant video upgrade, with leaks pointing towards 6.2K video recording, oversampled 4K output, internal 10-bit 4:2:2 capture, advanced compression options such as H.265, and possible support for higher-end codecs aimed at content creators, filmmakers, and hybrid shooters, while standard 4K recording at up to 60 frames per second is expected, along with speculation around high frame rate modes like 4K 120 FPS for cinematic slow-motion footage, all supported by improved rolling shutter control and more robust thermal design, enabling longer recording limits without overheating, and professional color workflows are also expected to be enhanced through the inclusion of F-Log2, offering increased dynamic range and greater flexibility for color grading in post-production, making the X-T6 a powerful tool for YouTube creators, documentary filmmakers, vloggers, and commercial video shooters alike, while autofocus is shaping up to be one of the most transformative upgrades, as the X-T6 is rumored to introduce a new AI-driven hybrid autofocus system built on deep learning algorithms that significantly improve subject detection, tracking accuracy, and focus acquisition speed, addressing one of the most common criticisms of earlier Fujifilm cameras, with enhanced recognition modes for humans, animals, birds, vehicles, and potentially even insects, combined with advanced eye detection and face tracking that remain reliable in difficult lighting, cluttered backgrounds, and fast-moving scenes, with autofocus sensitivity reportedly extending down to approximately -7 eV, making it suitable for low-light photography and night shooting, while predictive tracking algorithms are expected to deliver near-instant focus lock and smoother subject following during continuous burst shooting and video capture, and stabilization is another area where the X-T6 is rumored to excel, as in-body image stabilization is expected to return with refinements that could push performance to up to 7 stops or more of shape compensation, allowing photographers and videographers to shoot handheld with greater confidence, capture sharper stills at slower shutter speeds, produce smoother handheld video footage, and reduce reliance on tripods or gimbals, while battery performance is also expected to improve, with speculation suggesting extended battery life beyond the X-T5, possibly exceeding 700 shots per charge, supported by USB-C fast charging and in-camera power delivery, whether through an optimized NPW235 battery or a newly designed higher capacity cell, ensuring longer shooting sessions and faster turnaround times for professionals and enthusiasts. And when it comes to storage and workflow reliability, the X-T6 is expected to feature dual memory card slots, most likely dual SD-US2, with ongoing rumors hinting that one slot could support faster standards such as CF Express Type B or SD Express to accommodate high bitrate video recording and rapid burst shooting, while the physical design is expected to stay true to Fujifilm's iconic retro SLR-inspired aesthetic, complete with dedicated dials for ISO, shutter speed, and exposure compensation, paired with a rugged magnesium alloy chassis and enhanced weather sealing for durability against dust, moisture, and harsh outdoor conditions, making it a dependable choice for travel photography, landscape shooting, wildlife adventures, and professional fieldwork. And usability improvements are also anticipated, including a higher resolution electronic viewfinder that could exceed 3.69 million dots and potentially reach 5.76 million dots for an ultra-clear, immersive viewing experience, alongside a fully articulating 3.2-inch touchscreen LCD with approximately 1.84 million dots, offering increased flexibility for vlogging, low-angle compositions, and vertical content creation. And in terms of pricing, early estimates suggest the Fujifilm X-T6 could launch in the range of $1,600 to $1,800, placing it competitively among mid to high-end APS-C mirrorless cameras while offering Fujifilm's renowned color science, film simulations, tactile controls, and premium build quality. And based on the most consistent reports, the official announcement is expected in early 2026, likely during the first quarter between January and March, with retail availability following shortly thereafter, making the wait nearly over for photographers and videographers eager for a meaningful upgrade. And if these leaks and rumors prove accurate, the Fujifilm X-T6 is shaping up to be one of the most balanced and ambitious mirrorless releases in years, combining a next-generation X-trans sensor, powerful new processor, AI-assisted autofocus, improved low-light performance, advanced video features, refined stabilization, and classic Fujifilm design into a single camera that could elevate creative workflows and set a new benchmark for APS-C hybrid cameras in 2026.